Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Fake products are everywhere and it's difficult sometimes to differentiate between fake and genuine products. And today in this video, we will show you an app which can help you to identify fake products and fake currency notes. So let's start. CheckFake recently launched their app for both Android and iOS, and with the help of this app, you can check whether the currency note you have is fake or genuine. You can also check for fake products of different brands such as Patanjali, auto spare parts of Bajaj, Maruti and lot more. Fake currency notes are a real problem, and after the demonetization in India, we all are not familiar with the new currency notes which we have seen for 2000, 500, 200 and 50 rupees. Some people are taking advantage of it, and we heard lots of cases of circulation of these fake currency notes. But with the CheckFake app, you can check and protect yourself from losing your hard-earned money. So in order to start, you need to go to the Play Store or App Store and download the app CheckFake. Once you install the app, you have the introduction to the app and it tells you some features here. Then it will ask you to create an account, so you can log in with social media or enter your phone number to create an account, or you can also use this app as a guest. And that's it. Now you have the list of popular search here, which shows you the different currency notes, not just from India, but it also has some major international currency notes. In order to check the currency note, you need to select one. Let's say we want to check out this new 200 rupee note. Tap on the start check button and the app will ask you series of questions. Now the first question, it's asking us whether we can see 200 rupees appear on this section. Now let's see if we can see that. Yes, it's there, so we will select yes. The next question, it's asking us whether we see change in color of 200 when we tilt the currency back and forth. So let's check. So we can see it's changing from green to blue, so let's select yes. Next, it's asking us to use a light and see if we can see the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. You can use the torchlight button which is there on the top right. And yes, we can see the portrait of Gandhiji, so we will select yes. Next question, it's asking us to check the lines are raised on the border of the note. I can feel the raised line, so we will select yes. And the last question now, and it is asking whether we can see the serial number in this format. So that's clear and we will select yes. And finally we have the result here, and it says congratulations, based on your input, the Indian rupee 200 note is genuine. Now we can rate our experience and select done. The questions are random and sometimes you will see different questions for the same currency note. So guys, you can see it's really easy now to identify the fake currency notes. And as I mentioned earlier, you can check various different currencies which are available in the app. And if you don't find them in the popular search, you can just manually search for the currency, for example Thai baht. And here is the 100 Thai baht note. We can imagine that when you're going out on a vacation, it's really difficult to identify fake and real currency notes. So here is this app which will come real handy and it will protect you from any fraud. Apart from the currency notes, you can check for the fake products. The app supports checking the LPG cylinders, auto spare parts from different companies, and then we have some Patanjali products. You can also write the keyword all in the search bar and it will show you all the available products. Now let's say we want to check our HP inks. And now the app is asking a series of questions and you need to select yes or no on the basis of your findings. So overall, we think it's an amazing idea that CheckFake has implemented in this app. And with this app, you can save yourself from losing money, as you can identify fake currency notes and products easily from your phone. And we think that it's a must-have app on your phone, so do check it out and install it right now. So that's it guys, this was the app to check fake currency notes and products using your phone. What do you think about this app? And if you like it, then don't forget to leave a like on this video and let us know what you like most about the app in the comment section below. And also subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.